Morning, I'm Srikar, co-chairman Nagman Instrument Consortium. Our company is a 53-year-old company in India, started by our chairman, Dr. Nagman, and after his demise, his son, Mr. Venkat Raghavan, is taking care. Originally we started with manufacturing RTD thermocouple. Later on, with a collaboration of foreign Transformative, we started doing calibrators. Now we are, to be frank, we are first in so many aspects in India. First to manufacture RTD elements in India. First to start manufacturing the 4 calibration benches and other things in India. And we are participating in Investors Games for the past 18 years in Mumbai and for the past 2 years in Chennai. And every year our ladder is going up and up. Thanks to the organization for making such a wonderful arrangement here to show off all our products, and let me congratulate the organization group also for this. Thank you.